No one heard the moment the sky was finally given names, but in 1803 the heavens stopped being chaos and began to speak. Imagine standing beneath an English sky that refuses to explain itself. Clouds drift, collide, dissolve, massive, silent, unknowable. For centuries, humans stared upward and guessed. Were they omens, vapors, divine handwriting smeared across blue parchment? The sky changed constantly, yet our language for it remained hopelessly vague. Then came a quiet observer named Luke Howard. London at the turn of the 19th century was restless. Chimneys breathing smoke, streets pulsing with invention, minds hungry for order. Howard was not a famous scientist, not a man of grand institutions. He was a pharmacist, a careful watcher, someone who believed that even the most fleeting things followed rules, if you looked long enough. He looked up. Day after day, Howard tracked the sky like a naturalist stalking elusive animals. He noticed patterns where others saw randomness. Some clouds rose tall and bold, others stretched thin like brushstrokes. Some spread into gray blankets that swallowed light. They were different, predictably different. And then he made a daring decision. Howard reached back nearly 2,000 years, borrowing the precision of Latin, and gave the sky structure. Cumulus, heaped clouds swollen with promise. Stratus, layered sheets, calm and oppressive. Cirrus, delicate threads, high and fragile. Nimbus, rain-bearing, heavy with consequence. 4 names, endless combinations. It sounds simple now, but in that moment it was revolutionary. For the first time, clouds were not just scenery. They were signals, transitions, stages in an ongoing atmospheric story. Here's the quiet twist most people miss. Howard didn't claim control over the sky. He didn't tame it. He listened. His system didn't freeze clouds into categories. It showed how they transformed, how one became another, how the sky was always in motion. Sailors began predicting storms. Farmers sensed rain before the first drop fell. Scientists finally shared a common language for weather. And above all, humanity gained something subtle but profound, understanding without domination. The climax wasn't thunder or lightning. It was clarity. Because once clouds had names, they could be studied. Once they were studied, weather could be anticipated. And once weather could be anticipated, humans stopped feeling quite so small beneath the sky. Today, when you glance upward and casually say, "Storm clouds are coming," you're echoing a moment from over 2 centuries ago, when one man proved that even the most fleeting shapes in the sky obeyed patterns worth learning. The clouds were never silent. We just didn't know how to listen. If this story made you look up a little differently, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, what's the last cloud you remember noticing?